Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Slimania. In today's episode we will be making a white slime with colourful foam in it. The ingredients you'll need are PVA glue, baking soda, colourful foam, contact lens solution. Firstly, we're going to add just enough glue to fill the base of the glass bowl. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. Now mix well before the next ingredient. Now it's ready to activate. Firstly, we're going to add 3 or 4 drops of saline solution. And your slime should slowly start to form. If your slime doesn't form, then feel free to add more contact lens solution. I think I need to add a few more drops of contact lens solution. Because it's sticking to the bowl, I think it's now ready to take out a knead with my hands. This feels like it's formed. I think just a couple more minutes kneading and it will no longer stick to my hands anymore. My slime feels very stretchy and it feels very wet. Now it's no longer sticking to my hands. I think the slime is ready to add the colourful foam beads to it. I'm just going to add a few foam balls in the middle and fold it in. It looks very colourful because of the foam balls and it feels very stretchy. Let's add some more to make it even more colourful. It looks like rainbow cereal. You can add as much foam balls as you want, depending on how you want your slime to look. I think I'll add a few more. In fact, I think I'm going to try adding the entire content to see what it's like. Don't worry if it becomes messy because your slime is sticky, so once you've kneaded in most of the foam balls, you can just pick up the rest of the foam balls with the slime. There we go, look how awesome it looks. Let's try and make a slime swirl. So roll your slime out like a sausage, and once it's long enough, fold it again and repeat the process. Once you're happy with the thickness of your slime, you can slowly start to put one end on the table and roll it around. Our slime looks amazing. Thank you for watching. Make sure to tune in for my next episode. Bye!